everyone, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Kelsey. Today I decided I was going to film a video on a bronzy eye look. I did all my other makeup because I just solely wanted to focus on the eyes today. This is just going to be a simple, easy, fast eye look for like beginners or someone that doesn't have a lot of time and you just want to put a quick bronze eye on and get going. So without further ado, please like this video and subscribe and turn on your post notification bell so you can get told every time I upload a video, if I could talk today. And yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get right in with it. Since I did do my makeup already, I am just gonna take some of my Coty Airspun and simply just put it right underneath the eye just to help with fallout, because I'm sure I will get fallout. So again, I'm just taking that and dabbing it under the eye to help with the fallout. So just looks like this. I know it looks crazy, but that's just gonna help like sweep away whatever I need. I did just throw some brow gel in my eye, and so yeah, it just looks like this. And I am going to start. I have a couple palettes sitting here. I have my Jaclyn Hill and Morphe from the Vault collection. This is the Ring the Alarm one. I have the original Jaclyn Hill palette, which is my baby. And I have my Morphe Glam Bronzer and Icon. And I also have the Warrior by Juvia's Place. And this is just a really beautiful, I want to use some of the shimmers in this because it is a very nice palette. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to go in with my bronzer and Icon. And this is just going to be the transition color. So I'm just taking a R28, but I don't know if they make these anymore. Or R39. But I'm just going to put this right in the crease and above. And this is just a small fluffy brush, so it's just going to help get the product on there and blend it in a little easier. Because I do want to put this like in the crease and above a little bit. So again, I'm just going back and forth and then in circular motions to help blend. And I'm going to pat one more layer on of that. So we'll get some pigmentation, and I always go in the inner corner, but I really work it in there. And then I go back. So that's just 2 layers, and that's all I want right now. If you can see, the product fell onto the setting powder, so that is why we put the setting powder there. And I'm just going to do the same thing on this eye. Just back and forth, and then windshield wiper motions. For some reason, my right eye, like, there's some kind of like sore. I don't know if it's from the makeup or what it's from, but this eye is like crusty too. So that's a little alarming. And I'm just taking that again and blending. This is a really nice color because it is like a bronzy, like neutral color. And it just is a really nice like transition color. And if you're on the go, I always use bronzers in my crease if I'm just doing a simple look. So this is all the more I want my eye to look like right now. So then I'm going to go in with the original Jaclyn Hill palette. And it looks like this. She's very well loved. She is the original. I haven't updated it yet because the pigment is still there, and I am just obsessed with this. I'll never get rid of this palette, even when I have to get a new one. But I'm gonna go in with a if I could find the right. I'm gonna go in with this M433, and I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and this shade is called Pukey. So it's just another like brown, but it's a little bit darker than this bronzer, and I'm just going to try to focus this more below, like right above and in the crease. So I'm just taking that and back and forth, like so. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. Put it in the crease and a little bit above, back and forth, back and forth. And I'm gonna add one more layer and just really try to get in that crease. So I'm closing my eyes and like pulling my eyebrow up so I can really get into the crease with that shade. And again on this eye, pulling the eyebrow up as far as I can go to really get into that crease. So this just adds a little more like dimension to the eye color, and I really like that shade Pukey. Honestly, it's a really good shade. So it looks like this right now, and I'm gonna add one more shade in the crease, and this is the Mugshot, and this is the Morphlin Jaclyn Hill X Morphe from her Vault collection. So I'm using a Mugshot. And I'm just gonna take this, where'd that brush go that I want? I should just set all my brushes out that I want to use, but I never do. Shoot. Okay, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. brush. It doesn't have a name, it just says e.l.f. It's just a small little brush because I really want to get this on in the crease. Really get it in the crease. And then the outer corner. And I'm just going to put 2 layers of this in there. And again on this eye, in the crease. And on the outer corner. So it just looks like this now with the extra dimension. And if you weren't in a brush, you could just take and simply, I'm gonna buff out the edges while I'm talking. You could carve out the rest of the lid and put your shimmer down, but since this is a in a rush kind of video, we're going to go in with this Juvia's Place The Warrior. And these shimmers in here are so nice. Now, I'm between Ida and Bowaka. I think I'm gonna go in with Ida though, which is this top one, since this is a really golden look. And I'm gonna go in with my Morphe M167, and it's just a flat brush. And look at that pigment with the brush. That is insane. Like, these are so good with the pigment for the shimmers. I haven't really played with the mattes in this, but the shimmers are amazing. So I'm just simply taking that and putting it on the lid and going up a little bit. And it looks like that. It is so pretty. It's like a really nice like coin color, like a nice yellow gold. So again, on the other eye, I'm just taking and putting it on the lid and up a little bit. I'm sorry, I can see like the little like glitters like flying. So I'm gonna add one more layer to that, and really get down by the eyelashes. One more layer. You could even take my finger right now and put it on, because that'll give off even more pigmentation.
After this session, I'll probably have to go for a little while, but then I should be able to get back on after.
And it looks like that. So the pigmentation is stunning on this, and I really love this palette. I don't give it enough love like I should, but it's really good. So I'm gonna go back in with my Morphe Jaclyn Hill with the Vault, Ring the Alarm, and I'm just gonna deepen up that corner with that shade Mugshot and kind of blend it all together so it looks like this. And now I'm gonna go in and curl my eyelashes while I have this mascara or setting powder underneath my eyes. I got eyeshadow everywhere. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Bambi mascara. I'm in love with this. I used it once last night and I love it so much, so I definitely am going to repurchase it. It just really lifts and gives like volume to your eyelashes, and it's a really nice mascara. I watched Jamie Genevieve use this, and she does amazing work, so I knew I was gonna like it since she recommended it. So this is with the mascara and this is without. So again, on this eye, I'm just gonna take and put the mascara on. Like so. And I'm actually gonna go in with one more layer and see how much I can build that up. So it just looks like this, and it's just simple, fast, like you're ready to go. I'm gonna actually wipe away this powder and really make sure you get it all away. And I'm gonna go in with my Jaclyn Cosmetics, the Flash palette, and this is so beautiful. This is so stunning, and I'm gonna retouch my highlighter since I ruined that, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Iced and just apply where I ruined with that setting powder. And then I'm gonna go in with a little Y20 brush from Morphe, and I'm gonna go in the shade Sparks because it's more like yellow-y golden, and I'm gonna put that on the inner corner to give that inner corner highlight. And again on this side, inner corner, and then I'm gonna put it on the brow bone. And then I'm gonna take this first brush we used, and I'm gonna go into the bronzer for the lower lash line, and I'm gonna apply this just like this, and just get the base color down. Sorry if I sound like nasally and disgusting and you can hear me sniffling, because I can't seem to shake whatever I got. So once the base is down, it just looks like this. And then I'm gonna go back in with the Jaclyn Vault with the shade Mugshot. And I'm going to take that little brush and I'm going to tight line against the lower lash line. So I just took Mugshot and put it closer to the lower lash line to add a little more dimension. Like such. So it just looks like this. It's very beautiful, very simple. And then again, I went in with the highlight and did that. And the last thing I'm gonna do is add this Bambi mascara to the lower lash line. And it looks like this. Sorry, I have a mirror right here. And it looks like that. So this is, again, just an everyday, simple, bronzed eye look, and it is gorgeous. And everything I used is pretty affordable. So without the highlighter kit, I mean, that's $50, but I love the highlighter, so. But you can achieve it with any highlighter, and these palettes, if you buy them separately, they're pretty affordable. So again, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below of what you would like to see me film next, and have a great day, guys. Bye.